You need to watch this if you struggle with breaking free from the daily grind. Imagine unlocking the secrets of the world's greatest minds, whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing. Have you ever felt stuck, like you're just going through the motions, working hard but not getting ahead? You wake up, go to work, come home tired, and do it all over again? This is the rat race, the endless cycle of working for someone else's dreams. But what if there was another way? What if you could escape the 9-to-5 grind and achieve true financial freedom? Many people dream of a life where money is no longer a constant worry, where they have the time and resources to pursue their passions. This dream is attainable, but it requires a shift in mindset and a willingness to challenge conventional wisdom. This essay, inspired by the principles outlined in my book, will guide you on this journey. It will provide you with the tools and knowledge to take control of your financial future and break free from the rat race. It's time to stop trading your precious time for a paycheck and start building a life of abundance and freedom. Are you ready to take the first step?
Good news! Your first audiobook is absolutely free. Experience best-selling thrillers, powerful self-development, and epic adventures, all in one tap. Start your free trial now. Get unlimited access to thousands of books. Only $2/month after your 30-day free trial. And guess what? You can cancel anytime. No risks, no regrets. Click the link below and start listening today.
My journey to financial literacy was shaped by two father figures, my own father, whom I call my poor dad, and the father of my best friend, whom I call my rich dad. Both were hardworking and successful in their careers, but their approaches to money couldn't have been more different. My poor dad, despite his good education and steady job, struggled financially throughout his life. He believed in working hard, getting a good education and securing a stable job, the traditional path to success. However, he often found himself trapped in debt, living paycheck to paycheck. He constantly worried about money and instilled in me the fear of financial insecurity. My rich dad, on the other hand, was a self-made entrepreneur. He didn't have a formal education, but he understood the power of money and how to make it work for him. He taught me the importance of financial literacy, investing, and building assets that generate income. He believed that financial freedom came not from working for money, but from having your money work for you. One of the most important lessons I learned from my rich dad is that most people don't work for money, they work for someone else's wealth. When you trade your time for a paycheck, you're essentially making someone else richer. Your employer, your landlord, the bank that holds your loans. Think about it, you work hard to earn a salary, but a large chunk of it goes towards taxes, rent or mortgage payments, bills, and debt repayments. You're left with a small portion to spend or save, while others profit from your hard work. To escape this cycle, you need to start thinking like an investor, not an employee. You need to acquire assets that generate income, rather than liabilities that drain your resources. This is the key to financial freedom, having your money work for you, instead of the other way around. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is crucial for building wealth. Most people are taught to focus on acquiring material possessions, thinking they are signs of wealth. However, a new car, a bigger house, or the latest gadgets are not assets. They are liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out. An asset generates income, while a liability incurs expenses. For example, a rental property that generates monthly rent is an asset. A car that requires loan payments, insurance, and maintenance is a liability. Rich people focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income, while poor people accumulate liabilities that keep them trapped in the cycle of debt and financial struggle. To break free, you need to start building a strong asset column. This could include investments in real estate, stocks, bonds, or even starting your own business. Section 5. The power of financial education. Financial literacy is not a subject taught in schools, yet it is essential for success in life. Most people are ill-equipped to manage their finances effectively, leading to poor financial decisions and lifelong struggles. My rich dad stressed the importance of educating myself about money. He encouraged me to read books, attend seminars, and learn from successful investors. He believed that knowledge is power, and that financial literacy is the key to unlocking true wealth. Don't be afraid to invest in your financial education. Take courses, attend workshops, and read books to gain a deeper understanding of personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Section 6. Taking control. Your first steps towards financial freedom. Now that you understand the importance of financial literacy, assets, and income generation, it's time to take action. The journey to financial freedom begins with a few simple steps. First, track your expenses. The first step to managing your money is understanding where it's going. Keep track of your income and expenses for a month. You'll be surprised to see how much money is spent on unnecessary items. Second, create a budget. Once you know where your money is going, create a budget that allocates funds for essential expenses, savings, and investments. Third, reduce your debt. High-interest debt is a major obstacle to financial freedom. Make a plan to pay off your credit card debts, personal loans, and other high-interest liabilities as quickly as possible. These simple steps will give you a clearer picture of your financial situation and help you gain control of your money. Section 7. Investing wisely, even with little money. Many people believe that investing is only for the wealthy. They think they need a lot of money to get started. However, the truth is that you can start investing with even a small amount of money. There are numerous investment options available, even for beginners. You can start by investing in mutual funds, index funds, or exchange-traded funds with as little as a few hundred rupees. Remember, the key is to start small and be consistent. As your income grows, you can gradually increase your investment amount. Over time, the power of compounding will work its magic, and your investments will grow exponentially. Section 8. Embracing the journey to financial independence. Escaping the 9-to-5 grind and achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. There will be challenges along the way, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Don't be afraid to take risks, learn from your mistakes, and never stop educating yourself about money. Remember, the only way to fail is to give up. Embrace the journey and you'll eventually reach your destination, a life of financial freedom and abundance. The path to financial freedom is open to everyone. It's time to take control of your financial future and start building the life of your dreams. Gap 3S. Section 9. The Ultimate Book Bundle Offer. Unlock Financial Wisdom. Visuals of book covers and famous authors like Dale Carnegie, Napoleon Hill, and Joseph Murphy. Host, and if you love reading, we have just for you. Get show book covers with animated effects. D. Build lasting connections. D. Unlock limitless potential. D. Master timeless wealth building principles. D. The ultimate blueprint for success. Host, for just $4, you get the wisdom of legends. Don't miss out. Show limited time offer flashing on screen. ###, call to action. Host, don't wait. Click the links in the description. Grab your before the deal expires. Show countdown timer effect and final CTA screen with Start Now button.